Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair 0.3% Concentrated Retinol Face Oil. Daily Anti-Aging Face Serum to fight fine lines, deep wrinkles, dark spots. 1.0 fluid ounces. 1.0 fluid ounces of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Oil Serum to nourish and reduce the look of deep wrinkles. This super concentrated, lightweight facial oil intensely nourishes to fight deep, stubborn wrinkles. It is formulated with retinol, a dermatologist-proven form of vitamin A, to fight fine lines, dullness, wrinkles and dark spots. Anti-wrinkle treatment made with retinol, has been dermatologist tested and is suitable for daily use for all skin tones. The perfect addition to a daily skincare routine, this anti-wrinkle retinol serum is fast-absorbing and is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of stubborn and deep wrinkles, and intensely nourish and renew the look of skin. Oil is formulated with pure 0.3% retinol, which is scientifically proven superior to commonly used retinol esters. The face oil is formulated without parabens, mineral oil and dyes and comes from the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. Top reviews from the United States. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. Purchased this about a year ago to use, and since then this is the only wrinkle repair I use. Love the smell, feels good on my skin and would highly recommend. Great product and really makes your skin feel wonderful.